Good afternoon, I'm the Robert Lovell, the Deputy Editor on AccountingWEB, and I'm here today with Gordon Gilchrist of 2020. Welcome to the Accountex conference.
Thank you very much.
Great, and I just wanted to ask you a little bit about the session that you did earlier on the slight edge theory. It's a really interesting session, so if you could just tell AccountingWEB members a bit about that, we really appreciate it.
Well, with pleasure, and the whole principle of the slight edge theory, Rob, was that the people, accounting firms, are slightly better. Now, the reason why we go on to this point is that the most profitable firms, the upper quartile, we do a lot of benchmarking, as you probably recall, the most profitable firms are not, I'm delighted to say, miles better at anything, but they are slightly better at almost everything they do than the average firm, and it seems to be that you just need to be slightly better to get to the upper echelons of where the most profitable firms are. And of course the $64 million question then is, what makes a firm slightly better? And the answer is JDI, just do it. And these firms tend to be very much the doers of the profession, really. Yeah. And then what we did was we went on to, well, what is it these firms actually do that make them very successful and profitable? And so what we did, you'll recall, we went through a list of things, attributes or traits of the most successful firms: marketing, practice management techniques, chargeable hour monitoring, almost micromanagement on key areas, recoveries in terms of marketing, having people on staff that do marketing rather than having accountants pretending to do marketing, or amateurs trying to do what is a professional's job, IT experts, freeing up what you and I used to call the administrative type roles, so they become fee earners, and that was probably the thrust of the slight edge theory.
Great, and if you could offer, say maybe one or two top tips for aspiring practitioners to get that extra edge, what would they be?
My first tip would be to embrace technology, Rob.
Yeah.
There's a particular company that has really got my attention right now by the name of BankStream.
Yes.
Absolutely wonderful data streaming off the banks directly. Absolutely stunning. And then align that with an accounting online software, Liberty, Twinfield, Xero, the cash flow, there's loads of them out there. But the trick would be to embrace this technology and start doing accounts preparation, accounting work, bookkeeping, the traditional compliance work for almost nothing. Right. Which will then free up time to then help clients, which is step 2 of my top tip, would be free up time to take care of clients' future, like tax planning, wealth management, general insurance, profit improvement and such like.
Great. Thank you very much, Gordon.